All right, there's going to be a lot of measuring. Obviously, it's going to be measure 10 times, cut once. But I'm mocking up our front carpet now. Just trying to figure out our distance so I know about where to start trimming back here for our shifter. And we'll work our way across and up. Definitely not the easiest thing to be doing solo, but it does have some factory creasing here, which basically tells us that this goes on this corner, so that gives us a good reference to start with. We could go from there. If that's the case, this corner is here. That'll put our seam right about here. Which is fine, because there's our console. And that's where we go. Alright, we've got our passenger side section in. And I put the sill plate in to retain it. It's got the 2 seat bolts in and the seat stud coming through. That little divot is going to be under the seat, so we'll be all fine there. Tom and I decided to cut the carpet in half, mainly to fit easier around the shifter and all of its components. So we got that handled, and now we're going to start here on the driver's side.